Hetapu family. I'm Reki Kajara, the founder of the Raiseki Arts Temple, and this week our book of the week is Recipes for Elevation. And this book was inspired by our group fast that we do every year around the summer solstice. We do a raw food fast from starting on June 1st. And we wanted to have some recipes and some things to support people who had never fasted before, people who were not used to eating raw food. And so this is the book that came from that. It's actually a collection of authors. It is, I believe, 7 women who submitted recipes. And the best part is this book has recipes not just for raw food, but also for smoothies, teas, tonics, for toothpaste and personal products. It has recipes for spiritual baths. It's also recipes for vegan dishes. So if you are making that transition, you want to eat more healthy, go ahead and check this book out. Recipes for Elevation by Raiseki Arts Temple is available at raisekistore.com and also on Amazon. All right? Be healthy, eat the best food that you can, and take excellent care of yourself. Peace.